Alright, so I had done a short video on the KURU shoes and mentioned that shoestrings were tough to keep tied. But I never did mention that I bought these because they bragged that they are one of the best shoes out there for plantar fasciitis, and I believe that's what I was suffering from. My heel was killing me, my feet aching up into my legs. And with the first purchase of these, I had already went to the Good Feet store and bought the $700 sole inserts, both levels, the stiffer one and the softer one, and it didn't seem to make much of a difference. It did help some, but when I went to these shoes, I tried putting my inserts in there and I wore them for a few days, and I thought, well, I'm gonna try them without them, and they were a lot better for my feet. I'm gonna turn this around. You're gonna see here, this is the Atom WP. I don't know what that is. It's size 11. This is the Blue Haze Charcoal Gray. I haven't opened this yet, so let's open it up, see what it looks like, and see if we can get a good look at them. They come in pretty good packaging. This is how it's shipped. This is the shipping box, and these are the WP was the waterproof. I forgot I got the waterproof for the winter. KURU Cloud Sole. There's their pattern on these shoes. They have some different patterns. Let's see. My old pattern is more of a work boot style. These were a little bit like water resistant, but man, they got to looking rough. These are about 6 or 8 months old, but the insoles in them are really good still. I don't have any problems with my feet hurting. They have a really good cushioned insole, and they are a pretty good shoe. I think these were around $160, which is about what I was paying for Nike in the past when my feet started really hurting. I believe taking care of your feet is one of the best things you can do. So give these KURUs a try if you're having a lot of heel pain, foot pain. You know, it's worth trying. They don't cost any more than a pair of Nikes. And you can go directly to their website and order straight from KURU Footwear. I don't have an affiliate with them or anything, but I do believe that these shoes are what helped my feet. Let's see, I think this is recording sideways, so anyway, we'll try this. I'm gonna see how this video looks. If it's worth posting, then I'll post it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like if you want to watch more of this content, and have a Happy New Year. Thanks.